the Wilderness Bowie. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three River Blades. So this is the Wilderness Bowie. This is a customer's order and it is complete. I will be shipping it out. It is in a subdue color. So what I need you guys to do, if you want one of these, is to go to threeriverblades.com and order it. I don't know if I have any more left. I think I might have one more left. This is in a subdue. You could also get it in gun blue, or you can get it in satin. Because I have moved a bunch of different knives and have produced a bunch of different knives, this won't be available for quite some time. So if you want one, check out the website. Also check out the other knives that I have up there as well if you want something this big. So very large 7-inch blade, 5.5-inch handle, really nice. This is a outstanding woods blade. So let's get the video started and stick around to the end. Alright guys, I hope you appreciated that. So again, this is the Wilderness Bowie. This is 52100. 52100 is a ball bearing steel. So it is a carbon steel. You have to keep it oiled. Does have G10 grips with the gray and black. Alright, does have a lanyard hole in the back, and it also comes with a Kydex sheath. Alright, Kydex sheet does have a belt clip. This belt clip can be worn either horizontally or vertically. You just have to switch this to the other side, and you can carry it this way as well. Alright, so sheet is Kydex black. Good to go. This is a fantastic woods blade, and if there is another one on the website, I highly suggest you buy it, because this is probably the last one I'm going to make for a while if you want the Wilderness Bowie. Thank you very much, guys. As always, please like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. Really helps the algorithms. Also check all the links that I have down below to my other channels as well. Thank you very much, guys, and as always, keep grinding.